School supplies. Let's learn school supplies. Are you ready? Here we go. This is a pencil. Pencil. This is an eraser. Eraser. This is a sharpener. Sharpener. This is a marker. Marker. This is glue. Glue. This is a pencil case. Pencil case. This is a ruler. Ruler. This is a school bag. School bag. This is a notebook. Notebook. This is a stapler. Stapler. This is a piece of paper. Paper. This is a book. Book. This is a crayon. Crayon. This is a scissors. Scissors. This is tape. Tape. These are color pencils. Color pencils. These are school supplies. We use them every day. Thank you for watching.